First, open your preferred web browser and search for CalicoDesk. Then, open the official CalicoDesk website. Once you're on the homepage, click the Get Started button in the top right corner. This will take you to the sign up page. Now, enter your information. Start by typing your email address, then enter your full name. And create a strong password that's both secure and easy for you to remember. When you're done, click Continue. Next up, it's time to set up your company. Enter your company name. Then, choose a unique company subdomain. After that, select your industry from the list and choose your company size based on the number of employees in your organization. Now, enter your company address. Finally, click Create Company. That's it. Your CalicoDesk account has been created successfully, and you're ready to get started. Thanks for watching.